So, December is here, which means three things. One, Michael Bublé has emerged from hibernation and is now taking over the planet once again. Two, we all get to wear cool, if terrible, Christmas jumpers like this. And three, everybody immediately panics and buys whatever Christmas presents they can find online. Now, I speak on behalf of most guys when I say we don't all want a Lynx Africa gift set. And chances are the ladies out there really don't want a Soap and Glory gift set. We want something interesting to open under the Christmas tree, which is why I've done a bit of digging at Firebox and I've got two recommendations for you. Let's get into it. Hey up and welcome to New Rising Media, your home of hands-on reviews and gloves-off opinions about tech and gaming. I'm Jason England, freelance nerd journalist, and I thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to check out this video. Cheers. Firebox has quite the reputation for being that place that you buy random gifts from, whether it's unicorn tears gin or strong coffee. You can get anything from there. So I've been sifting through all of the stuff on there and I've been seeing, are there any presents on there that would make like really good Christmas gifts that last beyond the whole excitement of like the first Christmas week? Because I don't know about you, but without sounding like a snob, even though now saying that is probably going to make me sound like a snob, there are some gifts out there that you get that you enjoy for the week after you get them, and then they disappear and they gather dust in a cupboard forever. Your dad, and I can't overstate this enough, does not want a Toblerone again. So I've got two recommendations. One that is very on the nose when it comes to us living in a pandemic, and one that will look good anywhere around the house that you put it. So let's get cracking with the UV Sanitiser box. This will set you about 50 quid on firebox.com, and you can find a link for it in the description below. So the way that this works is you essentially put anything in here and the UV lights will sanitize it after 3 minutes. Now I can see the upside and the downside of having something like this. For people who are not massive hypochondriacs like me, it's a pretty nice thing to have around the house just to drop your keys in and sanitize stuff. But then I can also see myself using this relentlessly over and over and over again multiple times in the same day when I don't actually need to. So in the bag you get yourself your little instructional guide and the micro USB cable to plug it into anywhere. So let's get this set up, shall we? Plug it into the top bit. And let's find something to sanitize. Well, I can't sanitize you up there, iPhone, because you're recording me, so that's it. Keys. So you pop it in there, you push the button, and you wait for 3 minutes. Probably go get yourself a coffee in that time. So there's a really nice blue glow to the box caused by the translucency of the plastic on the bottom. So looks pretty cool. You can actually see it doing its work. And then it flashes green when it's about to finish, and you turn it off, get yourself out, boom, job is good, and you've got clean keys, or a clean phone, or a clean wallet, or whatever you want to use this for. So 50 quid well spent, to be fair. A really thoughtful present to help people stay cautious, stay alert, staying alert as if the virus is some weirdo following you down an alley, even though that's not how a virus works. But something different, something usable in the long term. And that's that one. Like I said, all the links for these will be in the description below. And if you enjoy videos like these, do consider subscribing to my channel. It'll mean the world. Now, the Smart Book Light, a design object with the wow factor, as the box says. Now, what does that mean exactly? Well, it means that you'll get it out the box. And what you see in front of you, instruction guide and plastic covering, let me just clear a lot of this stuff out, is a book. Just a pretty simple book, really, nothing too fancy about it, just smells like a book. And you can see faintly inside, this is not good video for you just looking at me doing this. You can see some wiring, which leads to the party trick of this, which is that it is a light. $49.99 on firebox.com, link in the description below. I like this because it's very simple in functionality, but it also makes a very interesting statement in whatever room you put it in, whether that's on the coffee table in your living room or where I'm going to put it on my bedside table. Charges quite conveniently over micro USB. Battery life, it lasts a long time. It's got a decent set of batteries in it, so you'll probably get a good 20 to 24 hours of usage out of it from my tests that I've done. And yeah, just another one of those nice little items that you can hand to someone as a Christmas present, which is a nice and surprising gift that they will enjoy, not just in the short term, but also in the long term. So that is it. Something to keep your stuff clean and something to light up a room. What do you think? What are you gonna get? Are you thinking about Christmas at the moment? Are you one of those people like me who leaves it every year until the very last minute, even though I really shouldn't? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, likes if you enjoyed the video, subs if you loved it, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.